In Whiteboard, you have the option to change the background on your pages. In the bottom left corner, there's a background management button, just has two mountains in it with squares around it. And you have several different options when adjusting your background. The paint palette allows you to choose from a bunch of different solid colors to change as your background. You also have the option to change the color and include some transparency behind it. If you want even more colors, if you click that plus sign, you can search from there and even type in your own information if you know a specific color you are looking for. You can do gradients with multiple colors or a center spiral as well. The pre-installed backgrounds has several different options that you can use. If you click on them, you have the option to put it on all pages or just the page you're currently working on. So if I click this page, and show you what that looks like. It just fills in that background space. There are several pre-installed ones that you can use. You also have the option to add your own. So there's an add background images option. The far right with the red arrow will open your just your Windows Explorer. So if you've got the G Drive installed, then you can go to your Google Drive from here. You also can search whatever you have saved in downloads and on your desktop as well, and add in any images that you would like. Once you have added them in, the saved background options looks just like it, but without the red arrow. If you go there, then you have options to pick from what you would like to add in as your background. If you select one of the options, again, you can say apply to all pages or just this page. When you close out, you can see that it can layer over the top of another option as well. So the gradient stayed behind and it just added this in front of it. Finally, on the bottom right of this section, you can apply a grid on your screen. So you can just have that over the top of everything. If you want to turn that on and off, you just select it and unselect it. There's a confidential button if you want to have a watermark of a confidential document that can turn on and off. And then if you notice up here in the top right, you will always have the date, the time, and what page you're on. So I'm currently on page 1 of 1. If you'd like to turn that off, you just click the calendar for show or hide the date and it will disappear. When you close your background management option, then you will have that as your background to continue working with all of your other tools.